Welcome back. So it's time to start working on the albums page right here. And what I want is kind of a root folder that displays maybe some subfolders, maybe it displays some images, and then I can click a folder and a new folder will pop up right here, just like a column, and that'll kind of show the next level, right? So just like you would see on a Mac Finder, you would have these levels out here. So when you click the different areas, it'll show up more pictures in here, right? Or more subfolders, depending on what you're looking at. That's what I want. Now, how do we do that? Well, first of all, I just want to give you guys an overview about what I want to build. So I just kind of made an idea about a file structure inside Dropbox. And let's say this was the root folder, right? This is the one I'll see when I'm logging in to my system under albums. Then I want kind of a way to just show the images right away. That's what we have right here, so I can see this is an uploaded image. That might be just a Spring image, I don't know. And I even want to see the pictures a bit larger, but I still want to see the information, like what was the name of the picture. Maybe I don't even care about that. I'm still considering that part, but at least I need some information about the actual picture, right? I need to be able to see it right here. Then the next step is I can click a subfolder, or I can add folders, or I can upload files here, right? That's what we need to build. If I click a subfolder, a new request will be sent to the backend and kind of get the next level, and that level is going to show the images in that folder and also show the folders in that folders, the subfolders, right? So that's what we're going to try and build in Firebase Firestore, this setup right here. Now we have a few things to consider right away. The first thing I want to consider is how do we actually do this? Is it important for us that when I click a folder, is it important that I have a fast read? Or is it important when I add a new thing to my Firebase setup, is it okay that it takes a bit more time to add a new folder and a new file compared to the time it takes me to read and show the files? And in my case, I'm kind of actually a bit disappointed in how slow Dropbox actually is, right? Because when I click something here, it actually takes quite a long time before it shows up. So I want the read to be faster. That's very important for me, that when I click something, it's there almost instantly. I don't care if it takes a bit of time to write stuff, because when I upload a file, let me just try and do it here, it's okay that this takes a bit of time before it's actually uploaded. And you saw even here, it still took kind of a lot of time for this to be uploaded. So that's kind of my goal. That's the way I'm considering how I would build this. Now, I've also tried to just make a small example inside Firestore, and that's what we're actually going to try and have a look at in the next lesson, how my first structure is going to be set up inside the Firestore database. So let's have a look at that in the next lesson. See you next time. Have fun.